A fair maiden would come and tell him of the unicorn. She tiptoed slyly creeping and whispered while he was sleeping that finally love was round the corner. Mr. Punsler heard through the grapevine that wedding bells would chime, so he made a batch of doggy yum-yum peanut butter treaties. And although Fifi will be fighting around with Uni when decided, but much to Fifi's surprise, Unicorn will win the first prize. Praise her when Chewie announced his love for her while under the mistletoe. And the ivy in the backyard where he does his business off guard could use a nice